and welcome. Thanks for joining me at An Oil a Day Essentials with Carmen. I have a quick little tip for you about On Guard. We've talked about On Guard hand wash and how important it is to use this. But as we go around, especially in this time, we're hyper vigilant about what's on our surfaces and we want to keep them clean. We use gloves, non-latex, but sometimes we need a little more, or maybe we're somewhere and we don't have gloves and have no idea who touched a surface previously. So what I use is On Guard Sanitizing Hand Mist. This is a fantastic oil spray. It is 64% alcohol based, natural alcohol. It has apple seed oil in it to help skin stay dry through it all. Easy to use, long lasting, and of course it has On Guard essential oil. On Guard is a beautiful combination of 5 oils of clove bud, wild orange, cinnamon, rosemary, and eucalyptus that universities have studied, and they have found that these oils individually are wonderful at killing germs and environmental threats, but together there's a synergistic approach where they just become stronger and do even more. And so we're really blessed to have this On Guard essential oil, and now it's in our sanitizing mist. So I'll just do 2 or 3 sprays, rub my hands around until it's dry, and then I can put my gloves on, or if I happen not to have them, I can go ahead and move about my business. I will spray shopping cart handles, I'll spray shopping cart seats. I will use this when I'm done shopping. I spray around my steering wheel, cover it, anything where I think I may have cross-contaminated or I might cross-contaminate, so I will spray. So anytime I'm wondering, when in doubt, spray it, and spray a lot. We want to be safe. It's easy to carry in your purse, and you know you're using beautiful, natural, pure, certified, third-party certified essential oils within your hand spray. That's On Guard Sanitizing Hand Mist. You can find it right at my website. Check the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey, and welcome to An Oil Essential a Day with Carmen. Oh, no.
Oil a Day Essentials.
Yeah, I think I would know this.
I mean, I just took your hashtag, but you know.
3.
I'm going to take that picture from you. We'll post that on the internet. When Grandma's learning the peace sign.